Hi everyone, Imran here with another tutorial on how to place a factory image on a Google Pixel using platform tools. I have already made another tutorial on how to use Android Place tool to place factory image, which is an online tool. If you find this video or complicated, then you can follow that tutorial. The link will be given in the description of this video. Now this guide can be used for all Pixel models including Pixel 7 Pro, Pixel 7, Pixel 6a, Pixel 6 Pro, Pixel 5 and older models. If you are experiencing issues with your Pixel phone such as booting issues or boot loops, flashing a factory image can help you resolve those problems. I will walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started on how to place factory image on your Pixel phone. As usual, I have also published a step-by-step guide on our website. The link will be given in the description of this video. It includes all the download links and both methods on how to place factory image on your Pixel phone. As you can see, I have given all the instructions step by step. If you have any issues, you can follow the step-by-step instruction on our website as well. Now, first of all, you need to download platform tools. Please remember that the R34 version have some bugs, so you need to download the R33.0.3 version to successfully place the factory image. Also, you need to unlock the bootloader. I will link the tutorial in the description on how to unlock the bootloader on your device. So here is the link to download the platform tools. I recommend you to download the R33.03 version. It is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Here is the guide to unlock the bootloader. It is really simple. You have just to enter two commands to unlock the bootloader. It is really easy. The link is given in the description as well. Final step is to download the factory image. So here is the link to official developer website, which includes link to all the Pixel models including Pixel 7 Pro, 7, 6a, 6 Pro, 5a, 5, 4a, 5G. All models are given here. I have Pixel 7, so I selected Pixel 7 as you can see. Now the latest one is April 2023. I would recommend you to download the latest version. Click on the link and it will give you the download file. Now I have already downloaded these files on my PC, so I will cancel this. Now move these files to a single folder on your desktop, as I have done here. These are the files. I forgot to mention the USB drivers. It is really important. I will give you the download link in the description. So here is how to install. Right click on this file and click on install. This will install the OEM USB drivers on your PC. Now platform tools. I have unzipped this folder and here is the factory image that I have already unzipped, as you can see. Now I will copy all these files. Right click to copy and move these files to platform tools folder. Files are already copied, but I will try again. Replace the files in the destination because files were already copied. Now everything is now ready. Now on your phone, open the settings app, scroll down and tap on about phone. Scroll down Tap on the bell number for about 7 times to enable developer options. Now go back, tap on system, scroll down, and here is the developer option. Tap on it. Now scroll down. Now as I told you earlier, my bootloader is already unlocked and you need to unlock the bootloader first. Now scroll down and enable USB debugging. Allow USB debugging and tap OK. Now go back. Now go back and connect your phone to PC. Open the command prompt here. Type cmd in the address bar. This will open the command prompt in the platform tools folder. As you can see, I will type adb devices and enter just to check if our phone is recognized. As you can see, the phone is connected and recognized by PC. Now I will type adb reboot bootloader. Now this command will boot your phone into fastboot mode. Now my phone is in fastboot mode. As you can see, now I will close this command prompt window, and here you will find flash-all.bat file. Double click on it and this will start flashing the firmware. Your phone will reboot into bootloader again. Waiting for any device. Now it should go ahead. Now it has started flashing the factory image. Now it can take around 5 to 6 minutes depending on your PC. During the installation process, your phone will reboot multiple times. You don't have to touch your phone. Now my phone is having an issue here. If you get this screen, then press the power key to continue. I will press the power key to continue. Now as you can see, PC will now recognize your phone and will go ahead to install the required files. Normally you don't need to press any button. It will do it on its own, but my phone was having an issue. You have to follow the on-screen instruction as well. If you get an error, it will show you the error and your device as well. So do whatever is needed. Rest, it is a straightforward, simple process. Now once it completes, it will ask you to press any key to exit and your phone will reboot. Now as you can see, my phone is rebooting. You can disconnect your phone from PC. Now just follow the on-screen instruction to set up your phone, connect to a Wi-Fi network, accept the terms and conditions, and if you would like to set up a PIN code, set a PIN code, and rest is really simple. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.